Hello guys, today I will show you Jenkins CICD deployment in Tomcat. Most of our Java Spring Boot application need to deploy in Tomcat. That's why today I plan to make a video about this topic. Hope this will help you. Let's start. These are the topics I will discuss today. So first, download and install Jenkins. Second, configure Jenkins jobs. Third is explain about pipeline script. Fourth, Tomcat user creations. Fifth is devops full cycle. Okay, so go to the first step. I need to go to Jenkins website and download. This is the official site. So for this tutorial I am choosing Jenkins wire and LTS version. You can also choose Windows AMSI if you want. Let's see download progress. So it's downloading. Our download is completed. So copy this Jenkins and to the directory. I'm keeping it here, Jenkins CICD. Open this folder in CMD, and we need to run Java command to run Jenkins. Okay, I'm copying this command. I'm running. I choose port 8090 to run Jenkins wire. Here is the password. This password is required for first time. You can also find this password in this path. So copy it and save. So it's showing that our Jenkins is fully up and running. So let's go to the browser and try. Let's access with this port 8090. So copy the password, continue. We need to save here. We need to install some plugins necessary. This plugin is record. So plugin is downloading now. For Jenkins I choose port 8090 because I would like to run my Tomcat in port 8080. That's why I choose this one. You can choose any port as you wish. While you are running this Jenkins, that time you need to mention this port here. So this is the comment. This time you can provide your record port. So Jenkins plugins downloading now. In the meantime, you can also download Tomcat because we also need Tomcat, right? Yeah. So this is our actually we need Tomcat. Okay, let's download the Tomcat. Now Tomcat 9 version is latest, so I'm choosing the zip first one, zip. There are other versions. So it's very less, it's only 11 MB. Let's wait it for completion. done. Okay, so copy this Tomcat and paste it here. We need to unzip it here, and that's it. Another thing we need to do, we need to create a Tomcat user. So now I'm creating Tomcat user. Go to the config, and here there is a file Tomcat user. So open it, subline text. So here also they already give a sample for role and users. So I already have. I'm just copying and paste. So I'm creating a admin user with roles, manager stress, manager GUI, and manager scripts. This is important needed for manager scripts because Jenkins will access this Tomcat for deploy. So uh, using this user, okay, and with this role. Okay, close it. Now we need to run Tomcat. Go back, go to your bin folder, and now here is a start.bat. Let's click it, double click here. It will run Tomcat. Okay, our Tomcat is run on port 800. Let's go to the browser and access on this port. So okay, close this on. No need this one more. Okay, our Tomcat also run. Jenkins also run on port 8090. Tomcat run on port 800. Well, let's go through let's start to access manager apps. That you need to provide this provide your username and Tomcat username and password. Okay, so I already have a save, so let's click on here. Okay, now we can access the manager. Here we can see from this UI, you can see which wire file is deployed here. If any odd wire file is deployed, it will be shown here. Okay, let's see our Tomcat plugin install is done or not. No, it is still not done. Some plugin is still pending. Okay, let's wait for this to complete. So our plugin installation done is redirect this page user. So I'm choosing admin edX. Okay, we can choose any name. Password. Better keep it as user. Mail name, put your email name here. We'll save and continue. So it's here is showing is this is the URL. Click save and finish. So Jenkins. Yeah, our Jenkins installation done. Now we need to create a job. So for create a job here, just click here, give it a job name. I'm giving job name deploy wire in Tomcat. So I'm choosing here pipeline because I'll for this tutorial I will show you the pipeline process. Okay, click it here and click OK. Give your name Tom Jenkins wire. Okay, just now go down and from here select pipeline skip from SCM. Now we need to choose it from here gate. Now we need to provide the git repository URL here. So I have a git repository, so I'm going there. Here is my repositories. So for this video I will use this repository. So I'm copying the HTTP URL. I'm going back to my VM. So I'm pasting here. So credential no need because it's public. If it's private or managed by company, then you need to provide the credentials. Okay. Then we need to mention our branch, which branch we need to build and deploy. So let's go back our repository and see. Here is the main branch. So I need to change the branch name accordingly. So I'm changing master to main. Okay, all other files. There is the Jenkins files. Actually, in your projects, Jenkins files should have. Okay, otherwise it will not work. There is another option, pipeline syntax. Okay, I will explain this because this is very useful tools to generate pipeline scripts. Okay, let's click on apply and save. So our job is created. Okay, so now we need to create actually we need to create a credential here for Tomcat. So I'm going back to Jenkins. Now we need to install another plugin to deployment in Tomcat. So for this we need to go manage Jenkins, and here from here we can manage plugin. We need to search in available plugins. So type here container. This is the plugin deploy to container. This plugin is needed. Okay, otherwise it will not work, because to deploy in Tomcat this plugin will help us. So click on download now and install. After okay, so install without restart. Download now and install after restart. Okay, I'm choosing this one option. So here you see this plugin is downloading. So let's wait to finish download. So our plugin is downloaded successfully, and it's showing message will be activated during the next reboot. So there's things we need to register, right? Okay, I need to register the Jenkins server. So just close this on and register again. I can close all of the tabs. Need more. Going back here. Reset. We have one already, just run it. So better choose another options. If you choose download and install plugin without restart, I think this is better options. You can choose this one and try. Okay, our Jenkins is fully up and running. Okay, now we need to create a credentials to access Tomcat. So here manage credential, this one. So adding some credentials, click here. So its username and password is fine. Username, give the username. Which username you need to give? Here you need to choose the username and password which we created in Tomcat, because this user credential will be used by Jenkins for deploying where. Okay, so don't anything miss, be careful for this. So this is the password. Password. username is admin, password I'm giving the ID is from Tomcat. Yes, Tomcat creates giving the description Tomcat. Okay, that's fine. Click on create. So no need to save, it's fine. Now go back to a job, click it here, configure, so see, now one thing is left. So pipeline syntax. Now I'll explain you a little bit about pipeline syntax. These tools we can see how we can generate pipeline scripts for code checkout, for deploy to container. Okay, so click on new tab. So see here a lot of options they give us. So the one thing I will show you right now, deploy. You can also check see this checkout, but this also needed. So deploy to container. So then what types you need to choose, where or years. Just click it here, it will give you some suggestions. So for my purpose I need to copy this one. Actually what it's done, actually it will do when you are cloning your code from GitHub and Jenkins build this, then after build it generate a WAR file, right, in the workspace. So this instructions, this syntax will copy your WAR file from this workspace and it will deploy to Tomcat. This is the task it will done in this step by the syntax. So next we can give the context path. Actually what will be the context path in deployment process in Tomcat. Okay, so I'm giving the context path name tm f. I think that's all for that. Now from here we need to choose the Tomcat version. I am using Tomcat 9, just use Tomcat 9 from here. Now we need to provide the credentials which we already created. Choose the credential from here, Tomcat credential. Now we need to provide them Tomcat URL. Okay, so it's fine. Go back to here. This is the Tomcat URL. Copy. Give it here. I think all are done. So now if you click in generate pipeline script, it will give you the pipeline script. Okay, see, it's generate the pipeline script automatically. And now this pipeline scripts we need to paste in our Jenkins file, which is in our projects. Okay, so for projects I'm using my git projects. So this one, right? Yeah, here it is. So this Jenkins files we need to change. So better just clone this project in local. I'll show you. So there's the IntelliJ ID. Okay. So I'm choosing get from VCS. Paste the repository here, URL. Okay, all of the files just clone. So I'm cloning my projects. So it will take some times because it's downloading dependencies. Let's see the scripts. So this is the script file. Okay, actually what syntax we generated, I need to paste it here. This is the syntax I generated for deployment. in container. Just copy it and I'm going to change this line. Yeah, this line we need to change and paste it here. Okay. Here I also use checkout scripts. You can also generate the checkout scripts. How you can uh, generate this scripts? You can take this help. You can take these tools help. Just you need to select the checkout step and provide the rest of. Then it will after that, then you can click here. It will give you the script accordingly. So okay, our code was already cloned. So here is base controller. It's simple. So let's see the home page. So I want to change all things. Just keep it this one. Okay. Fine. Okay, now go back to our Jenkins. Now click on build. Okay, so if I click on build, it will start the process. See, here is start the pipeline skip process. See, job start, checkout code also done. Now it's building phase, building step. Test also done. Now it's in step 4, deploy to Tomcat. So it's deploying. Let's wait. Deployment to Tomcat is taking times. Sometimes it's create issue, but no, if it's take more time, if we can restart the Tomcat, then it will hopefully it will fix. Okay, I think better we can restart Tomcat again, then we will build again. We will start the job again. Okay, I am canceling the job because something wrong in probably in Tomcat. We need to restart the Tomcat. Okay, so I'm just canceling the job. Hopefully. Yeah, it's cancelled. Okay, about it. So I have to just restart the Tomcat. This was Tomcat. So let's go back to our Tomcat. Just restart again. Start up with that. Okay, yeah, this one. Tomcat is done. Yeah, Tomcat is done in 4800. Fine. Now build again. Click on build now. It's start second job. Let's see. So now it's in deploy step. It should not take more times. Later you can check our pipeline scripts for pipeline. Okay, this is the pipeline scripts. So for my case, first two job is failed, third has become success. So I just need to restart the Tomcat again. So now I am showing the another build. So I'm clicking again here. It's a fourth build. It will start. So it starts fourth build. Then I will show you. So I will change some code, and I'll show you automatic trigger and deployment process. Just wait for this job finish. Actually it takes kind of 20-30 seconds, maximum 1 minute. It should not be more than 1 minute, 2 minutes, but sometimes happened. Yeah, this time for job success. Okay, it takes 25 minutes, 5 seconds, 25 seconds. Okay, now I will change something in my code and I will push it to GitHub and I'll show you. Okay, so let's go to our code, change little bit here. No, first let's see the application, deploy applications. So for this we need to click it here. Then here is the our wire deploy. So click it here. It's show. Okay, it's showing the earlier version because still I didn't. This code is this where all code is coming from the GitHub. This GitHub I didn't change. I just change it here. So this code is still not pushed in GitHub. So now I will push this code in GitHub and let's see. This time it will automatically triggered because in Jenkins script I set this on. This is meaning that it's every once made it will check in GitHub and it will check if any changes happen or not. If any change happened, then it will automatically start this job. So okay, let's pull this code, change this code. Let's see. So let me go back our code. Okay, we can take a so code is here. Okay, this one. So this home file I changed. Okay, let's commit it. Okay, I'm showing you my GitHub push. Okay, let's refresh it. So send this push to GitHub. Okay, 14 seconds ago. Okay, now go to this our Jenkins and see it this time job should start automatically. Fifth job should start automatically. Okay, let's wait and see. So fifth job should trigger automatically, and this all changes will be reflected here. This all changes will be reflected here. just only this one. This change should reflect after all process done. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, our fifth job start automatically triggered. Okay, it's already started. So now in deployment step, step in. This takes 18 seconds already. Yeah, finished. Okay, so our fifth job automatically triggered, and let's see the changes reflect or not. Just give it refresh. Yeah, changes reflected because I removed some code from HTML page. Okay, let's add something here now. Okay, like this. Hello, finishing this tutorial. Okay, so again I will just committing the changes to GitHub. Let's see. Second commit. So let's see the GitHub change. Finish it. Okay, second commit. So also Jenkins should start automatically. Let's go back to our Jenkins page. So 6 jobs should trigger within 1 minute. Let's wait for this. After saying this, our tutorial is finished. Our tutorial is done. Yes, 6 of this triggered automatically. Suppose you want to see the log during this process, right? If you want to see this log, then you can click it here and you can go to the console log, console output, right? If you go here, then you can see in each steps it will generate log and display here. Okay, so right now I'm in pipeline skip step 3. Step 3 is completed. No, step 3 is test. The test is step 3 is finished. Now in step 4 deploy to Tomcat. These steps it's running now. See, this is the log. Sometimes if any error happened, you can see the log. So job is still running. Oh, finished. When it's tick mark, so that means it's finished. So successfully finished, success. So all steps showing here and successfully our job is finished. So you can also go back from here. See, job is finished. Okay, for this tutorial that's it. So next I will come with another video, popular topics. That's it.